Behind me, you guys can see this is the Blue Moose. This is the truck we're going to be chasing in. It is honestly our best tool for chasing severe weather. Obviously been customized for storm chasing, has Line-X bed liner sprayed across the whole truck. There's about 400 pounds of it on the truck, so it can take mostly hail, up to almost 3-inch before it starts to dent, so it can handle that. Side windows on the truck have a clear 3M film, so if the windows do shatter, which they have been tested, that it does not allow the glass to get in the truck. So anyways, looking forward to showing you guys what we chased this season, and hope you guys follow along.
How's it going, guys? I'm Jordan Carruthers, professional storm chaser and drone pilot, and you can find me on social media at Extreme Storm JC.
Gorgeous tornado touchdown.
Hello everyone, my name is Connor Mockett. I'm a storm chaser and photographer. I've been chasing for almost 10 years. This will be the 10th season. You can find me on social media at Connor Mockett WX on Twitter/X, or you can find me on Facebook at Connor Mockett Storm Chaser and Photographer.
That is nuts. That is crazy. I am freaking out.
My name is Tom Smetana. I'm a severe weather enthusiast. This coming May is going to be my 11th season chasing severe weather across the US and across Canada. I'm excited to chase with Connor and Jordan, and we hope to bring you guys some amazing photos and videos.
Hey guys, we are in northwest Kansas, getting close to Nebraska. We are following this storm right here. This looks to be a long day with severe weather.